Hi, kalakalcinema.com. Yenna pere Anamika and I am from Madhya Pradesh. I belongs to politics family. My father is a formal MLA in Khajuraho, and I have finished my graduation, as well as I have done like Franklin course where I have learned about traveling and tourism, aviation field, and I have also worked for 1 year in Indigo Airline as a crew. I came to Bhopal to do my study, to do my college, as well as to do the Franklin course. So from there I got opportunity to go for the Miss Bhopal competition, and I have won also. I was Miss Bhopal in 2008, 9, 10 continuously, as well as Miss MP in 2009, and I start modeling from that, and I have done lots of shows like with IIF, Chennai shows, and lots of, and I'm a professional dancer. In Bhopal only I have learned dancing like salsa, my favorite dance, as well as the belly dance. As well I start working, like I love acting, and so I start working for the drama, as well as for the like some crime shows in ETV Madhya Pradesh, and as well as Doordarshan TV also. And I was working for Indigo Airline for only 6 months. So for that I came to Chennai, and from here I got opportunity to work for Tamil movie called Pena Unne Kanden. My first movie is Pena Unne Kanden, and when I was working for the Indigo Airlines, so that time I met one of the producer called Mr. Prem Kalar. So he gave me this opportunity to work for this movie, and it was very nice experience. Like that production was Cinema People production, so the people were very nice, and my director Mr. Sanjeev Srinivasan, he taught me a lot, and especially I had some little difficulty with the language, because as I know Hindi and I am new for the Tamil, but somehow he managed for me, and in future also I would like to work again with the cinema, like Tamil cinema field, and I would like to work with some like homely kind of role and some kind of different kind of role, like Jyotika. She is my favorite actress. And if I got opportunity like to work, like to do some glamour kind of role, so first I would like to hear this story, and if it is about if it's a good story, then I can go ahead also. So it's all about the story and about the role, so I can go ahead and do it. Favorite hero is Vijay, and if I got an opportunity to work with Vijay hero, like whatever role will be there, I will definitely work with him, because my dream to work with him at least once. My favorite food is dosa. I love dosa and idli as well. My favorite dress, I love to wear sari, as well as jeans and t-shirts. My favorite color is black. As you have already seen the black sari, I love black color. Black and white color, black and white combination, my favorite. I love to wear different kind of jewelries. I love to see different kind of place, especially cold place. And I love Chennai as well. hobby is dancing. I love to dance. I love to play badminton. It's my favorite game. I used to be like badminton player in my school time, the top player. I don't like to do study. I don't like to do reading and all. It's totally boring for me. I love to sing sometime, but I'm a bathroom singer.
Kannaliga, kadaliga, punnaliga, pinnaliga, ingeyu tedisil.
Thank you so much for karkascinema.com viewers to give me this much time and to give me the opportunity to give my interview for that. Thank you so much.